guys, so today I got a universal TV stand from Amazon and I'm gonna put it together. Let's see how easy it is or hard. Yes, Sabia?
That's what you gotta do, right? Now I can just use my hands.
So I just got an Allen wrench. Hopefully it should be enough. Because I only have like gotta be a 19-inch, I believe. And this was $20 or $21. Not too bad, the price. I had bought one not recently, but I bought one from Walmart and it was $60 something. Probably last year sometime. Okay, so we're just tightening this. I got a TV. My sister forgot to give me the stand, so that's what's happening with that. That's why I got a new one of these. And there you go, cute little stand. This is glass. Okay, and then so we're on number 3. And looks a little bit more, you know, sometimes when you purchase things from Amazon, sometimes it just doesn't have the right instructions, but this one is pretty good. Okay, so this is gonna be D. So it's pretty simple. They have A, B, C, D. So that's the one we're going to be using now. I'm just going to put on the top. Okay. And this one we will need a Phillips. Wait. Size. Let's just take some of these out for now. We don't need all of them. One at a time. So I'll just be putting the washer and then this here. Gonna tighten it up. So it's a 10mm and a Phillips screwdriver. There you go. It's really simple, guys. I mean, girls, ladies, you don't need nobody helping you. put the 10mm in the back and then just turn it. There you go. Okay. And then it's a great, and this is great to just kind of, so I'm using this, and it's kind of great for it to hold the TV up while I'm screwing it down. Very good. I'm just loosening it because I gotta adjust this one's here. So probably you wanna just tighten it once it is all put together, the screws. Okay. So don't tighten before you put all the screws in. Once you put it in, then you tighten it off. Got it. So first we put the post. Yeah. We got those tightened. We're on our way, guys. So see, it's a little cute one. It's great for what I'm needing it for. Okay, and then now we gotta go to the TV. And then we're gonna put these on the TV. And then these is for the TV. Let me just check this out first. Okay, so all I got is this here, this two here. I feel like that's the only thing that can actually utilize this part. We're gonna just try that. So it's gonna be these are really small. Let's see what is the other one. Different ones that we could use. Hang on, let's see. So we gotta use the small one. Okay, so it's none of these. Does come with different sizes of the screws just in case you guys have a bigger one or smaller one. So it does come with different sizes and lengths as well. So the one previous, it had these, because my sister had it on the wall, but she forgot to grab the wall part, and then it came with this because the screws were longer, but I don't have the other part, so we're not going to do that one. So let's just try and do this. Okay, see how that works for us. It's so tiny, like, you know. But this is the only one that it will line up. The other ones did not line up with both of these screws, so I'm forced to use that one. Okay, so far so good. Yes. I don't know what this part is for. It says here doesn't show that. Oh, you can put these over here. Up there. I don't know what it's out for, but I'm not going to use it anyway, so don't have to worry about that stuff. Alright, so okay, so right here, this is just the length of it. I'm not very tall, so you can kind of get, I'm 5'2", okay? So that's, okay guys, so I'm just gonna like tell you guys the truth of what happened. I'm not gonna hide, but, okay, I'm not gonna film that part, but, because it might just take too long, but, okay, I always do this, right? So I did it the opposite way, so I did it the wrong way. Sometimes shit happens, why? I'm a girl. And I don't think before, you know. So let's just turn this shit around. It's not gonna hurt no one. But let's see, maybe it will fit better. You know? This is the for real one now, okay? Alright gang, hopefully it is correct, okay? Okay, I feel like I have to use that other thing. Okay, so I still gotta do some, I still have to do some stuff here. Hold on. Alright, that's my helper there. Okay, but this is, this is the glass. It's not too bad. Kind of sturdy. It's pretty sturdy, guys. Sorry. Alrighty guys, so the safety lock to hold it in place was kind of hard. Do you see that there? But it's just this here, and then I kind of figured it out. Hopefully that's it. Yeah, my helper over there. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and try to do the same thing that we did. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put it in here. Excuse me, sister. Oh, sorry. I have to try to find the placement. Hi! It's my helper again. It was kind of hard for me to find it, but let's go on the other side. Okay, so you will put it down this way. It's gonna go like that into this grooves here, just in case somebody's having a hard time too, because I can't get that because the instructions are not very good on that part. Okay, hang on, maybe it's the wrong side. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna put the larger side in, right into this little grooves here. There, you see it? Oh my god, so this is the lock. It was so hard to find that out, and then this part is just gonna screw into here just like that. Good. So I'm gonna go ahead and screw that in. It takes a minute or so. I'm happy to say that I am done. It's not gonna move now. So this is the most difficult part. these parts are the one to stop it from moving. I'm sorry about the barking, but it doesn't really show you how to do it on the instructions. So hopefully if you guys buy this little universal stand, it'll help you guys. Alrighty. Guys, don't mind my mess back there, but there it is. And it's great for the dresser, you know. So thanks for watching.